This aerial shot establishes our expansive and
Check the origin certificate against the health inspection.
Temperature is steady at 5.2 Celsius, cross-referencing the batch numbers now.
From ancient hand tanning techniques to the machines of the Industrial Revolution, Anaconda leather production has evolved dramatically.
We need 6 of the large speckled hides for the priority order.
The conveyor capacity is clear. Let's move them to inspection.
Really? 15.13 Texture Analysis Station utilizes high-resolution digital microscopy systems magnifying surface structure.
Based on the comprehensive evaluation, considering surface quality and thickness uniformity, this hide is designated as premium A-grade material.
Defect Mapping Workstation utilizes AutoCAD-based leather mapping systems with defect marking tools, allowing East Asian female technicians to
The thickness profiles are inconsistent, and the defect distribution is above the threshold.
We cannot approve this batch. We need to initiate a corrective action request.
All right, get the rest of that hide in there. It's heavy, almost got it. Okay, closing the hatch now.
Mechanical action combined with chemical surfactants loosens and removes embedded dirt particles, dried blood proteins.
Integrated water management infrastructure incorporates multi-stage filtration systems, combining mechanical screens, sand filters.
15.25 primary rinse cycle initiates as 3,500 liters of fresh water at 26 degrees.
Experienced operators utilize handled stainless steel hooks with ergonomic grips.
The secondary deep cleaning cycle employs advanced enzymatic cleaning solutions containing
The cleaning was insufficient. We'll require extended duration for this batch.
mechanical dewatering operation employs industrial centrifugal watering machines spinning at 800 RPM.
The pH reading is 7.0.
Meets specifications.
Confirmed. I'm authorizing the release to liming.
We're approaching VAT 3. Dosing systems are active. Let's get this positioned.
Operating chain hoist systems with 2,000 kilogram capacity and precision controls suspended above the soaking vats.
Liming processing begins as workers load batches of 400 to 500 kilogram rehydrated Anaconda hide.
Advanced fleshing and splitting operations continues in the specialized processing area, where Anaconda hides undergo
Professional fleshing and splitting operations proceeds as skilled operators manage the Anaconda hide.
It wasn't fleshing spot. At a ideal ring in the double position.
Industrial-scale fleshing and splitting operations process Anaconda leather through mechanical removal of...
The thickness parameters on the German splitter are holding steady at 1.2 millimeters.
The consistency looks excellent.
Advanced chromium tanning processing continues in the specialty processes area of the
The stabilization is perfect. The hand feel is exactly what the client requires.
Thickness is consistent across the hide. The chromium levels are stable at 15.60. Confirmed. The tensile strength is within tolerance.
Professional chromium tanning processing proceeds as skilled operators manage the Anaconda hide materials through chemical stabilization and leather formation.
The tensile strength on this batch is exceptional.
It easily meets the luxury standard.
Professional chromium tanning processing proceeds as skilled operators manage the Anaconda hide materials through chemical stabilization.
The wet blue stage is perfect.
Confirmed. The tensile strength exceeds the requirement.
The stabilization parameters are holding steady at 15.68.
And the thickness on this lot?
It's precise, well within the premium tolerance.
Deeply foot 6 frequently. Professional chromium tanning processing proceeds as skilled
Advanced dyeing and color application continues in the specialized processing area, where Anaconda hides undergo. Professional dyeing and color application proceeds as skilled operators manage the Anaconda hide materials through pigment. Advanced dyeing and color application continues in the specialized processing area, where Anaconda hides.
Ensuring every square meter meets the rigorous standards.
The analytical data confirms the uniformity of the pigment.
Advanced dyeing and color application continues in the specialized processing area, where Anaconda hides undergo pigment.
Professional drying and conditioning operations proceeds as skilled operators manage the Anaconda hide materials through moisture. Through sophisticated drying and comprehensive testing, we ensure every hide meets the rigorous standards for premium manufacturing.
The moisture reading is stable at 12.5%.
Acknowledged. Adjusting the dimensional stability slightly on the Z-axis.
Professional drying and conditioning operations proceeds as skilled female operators manage the Anaconda hide materials through moisture removal and dimensional stability.
Advanced analytical instrumentation confirms the dimensional stability.
Meets all rigorous standards for premium applications.
Professional drying and conditioning operations proceeds as skilled African American male operators manage
A sophisticated processing facility utilizes advanced manufacturing and automated material handling systems. Using industrial-grade equipment, including German-engineered machinery, Italian precision tools, and computer.
Advanced softening and mechanical processing continues in the specialized processing area, where Anaconda hide.
We're maintaining strict adherence to the international standards here.
Yes, the real-time monitoring shows we are well within the sustainable guidelines.
Advanced precision cutting and pattern optimization continues in the specialized processing area, where Anaconda.
The laser calibration is flawless. Look at the consistency on the Z-axis.
Remarkable. The tensile strength exceeds the baseline by 20%.
Advanced precision cutting and pattern optimization continues in the specialized processing area, where Anaconda hide.
The automated inspection reports 0 defects on the latest cuts.
Confirmed. We are cleared to move this batch to assembly. Check the alignment on this panel. It's within the acceptable tolerance. The grain matching is excellent.
The tensile strength is holding perfectly at 250 newtons.
Exceeds the standard for the premium grade.
Advanced final quality control and packaging continues in the specialized processing area, where Anaconda hides undergo inspection and product preparation.
Professional final quality control and packaging proceeds as skilled African American male operators manage.
Using industrial-grade equipment, including German-engineered machinery, Italian precision tools, and